Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to make Bluetooth connection in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the notification area. You will find Bluetooth option. Just click on it and long press on it, and available device will be scanned here, and bring another device. Okay, here I have another mobile phone, and in the another mobile phone, go to Bluetooth and long press on it and turn on Bluetooth. Okay, now click on pair new device. Okay, click on refresh here, so that another device will be showing. Okay, so the device in my phone, this device Vivo V21e, is scanned here and showing here. Just click on it. Okay, and it will be pairing request will be sent to the Vivo phone, and click on pair here. Okay, yes, now it is connected. Okay, so you can transfer data between these two. Okay, so in this way you can easily make Bluetooth connection from your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro to any other Bluetooth enabled device. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.